Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to talk about the alternatives to the Nomad Sculpt and what kind of thing you have to be aware of if you want to actually use it. So the first one, very popular one, and you already know it, is Blender. Okay, you definitely know about it, I think. So you have plenty of sculpting brushes, a dynamic topology, voxel remesher, multi-resolution modifier, face sets, masking, symmetry, mesh filters, just a lot of stuff. And now the pros is it's free, professional grade, complete ecosystem, huge community, regular updates, customizable brushes. So that's what is really good. Now the cons of it is that you have steeper learning curve and more complex than Nomad Sculpt, desktop only, no official mobile version, resource intensify and interface complexity. But still, this is the kind of the first one that you can check out. Now the next one is also Sculpt GL. Now the Sculpt GL is also an interesting one because it's free, no installation, runs in your browser. So this is something that you can have. Also, you can also download the standalone version if you want to. Lightweight, great for learning, export to 3D printing platforms, cross-platform, but you have limited features. You have no layers. You have no advanced rendering, browse limitation, no mobile optimization. So this is okay, but just be aware of the limitation for it. Now another one is also the Sculptoris. That's also interesting one. It's a free beginning friendly 3D sculpting tool. But again, what you have to be aware of is that it's no longer developed, limited feature, desktop only, no advanced workflows. So again, this is alternative that you can do. Mesh Mixer, this is another one that you can also try. So Mesh Mixer from the Autodesk, it's free for 3D printing, mesh repair, combine models. It's also not being developed anymore. And another thing is that can be unstable and no mobile version. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it provided a little bit of value. And have a great day and goodbye.